Are you looking for the best grass trimmer head under $200? In this video we will look at some of the best grass trimmer head under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Drillpro Electric Lawn Mower Cordless Grass Hedge Trimmer 2X. Batteries adjustable handheld garden tools for Makita 18 volts battery. Material, ABS plus stainless steel. Rated power, 900 watts. Voltage, 21 volts. Battery, 1500 mAh battery. 2 PCS. Speed, 0.12000 R per minute. The trimmer is cordless because it is rechargeable. No more cumbersome wiring. Scalable, easy to carry, can be stretched 99 to 135 centimeters in length. The trimmer does not use any fuel, so it saves resources and money, and is environmentally friendly. The head can be detached to the size you carry with you, making trimming very easy. Multi-angle adjustment of the cutting head, suitable for different scenes, mowing, pruning, and greening. It is more convenient to use, and it is more convenient to increase the angle adjustment button or auxiliary handle for free adjustment. Easy to operate. Number 2. Lizm Lawn Mower and Grass Trimmer. Powered by 24 volts max batteries, providing speeds of 3,700 RPM for the mower and 9,200 RPM for the trimmer. Features a rust-resistant deck, 5 cutting heights, and 5.51-inch front and rear wheels. Features a 0.065 inches dual-line auto-feed trimmer head with a pivoting assist handle and cutting head for user convenience. 24 volts max mower, 24 volts max grass trimmer, 2 24 volts max 4.0R batteries and charger. Search B0CTQPN6Y7 for replacement battery and charger. Search B0CTQL4H4X. Number 3. Cordless Electric Lawn Mower Brushless Motor Grass Trimmer. Plastic blades, metal blades, alloy saw blades to meet the needs of various scenario. No jamming, easy mowing in large area. The front and rear dual bearings have strong power, and the mowing is smoother. 220 high temperature enameled wire, high temperature resistance and long life. The soft rubber coating has no burr technology, and it is comfortable to hold, and it is very comfortable to use. Multi-angle adjustable, suitable for different scenes. Mowing, pruning, and greening. It is more convenient to use, and it is more convenient to increase the angle adjustment button. Easy to carry out. Number 4. DCNB Lawn Master Lawn Mower and Grass Trimmer. Powered by 24 volts max batteries, providing speeds of 3,700 RPM for the mower and 9,200 RPM for the trimmer. Features a rust-resistant deck, 5 cutting heights, and 5.51-inch front and rear wheels. Features a 0.065 inches dual-line auto-feed trimmer head with a pivoting assist handle and cutting head for user convenience. 24 volts max mower, 24 volts max grass trimmer, 220. Number 5. TOVIA Electric Lawn Mower 21 volts Cordless Grass Trimmer. TOVIA GST03 string trimmer uses a 600W geared motor with 28,000 revolutions per minute no load speed, delivers 9,000 RPM for faster and powerful cutting grass diameter up to 10 mm. Therefore once it is wrapped by plastic bags or something, it stops work immediately to reduce risk. Gardening made creative. TOVIA GST03 string trimmer is designed for attachments. Easy to change strings, change string to nylons blades, metal blades, even circular blades. Turn it into a walk-through trimmer by adding a pair of wheels. It brings endless creative gardening ideas. 2-year limited warranty. Go to tovia.com to register your products and get 2 years limited warranty or directly ask support from us. TOVIA team is looking forward to hear from you. Easy to storage and use. TOVIA GST03 string trimmer is a simple but effective tool for indoor lawn care. Its minutes length is is 90 centimeters, 311.4 only, weight is 4.2 pounds only. It can be hanged on the wall easily and took to your lawn by one hand. Number 6, MDNG Combination String Trimmer. Power source, battery powered. Cutting width, 12 inches. Operation mode, automatic. 3 tools in 1. Easily converts from mower to trimmer to edger. AFS automatic feed system ensures continuous work without bumping and having to stop. Ideal property size 750 square feet. Power drive transmission prevents bogging down. Cutting heights 1.6 to 2.4 inches. Adjustable height deck and trimmer and pivoting handle. Charge time at 60%, 2.5 hours. Number 7. Kakyoin Brushless Electric Lawn Mower Grass Trimmer. 9-inch 2800 watts brushless electric lawn mower grass trimmer. Adjustable foldable cutter. Garden tools for Makita 18 volts battery. Some options do not include batteries. Please select the product combination you need. This machine works with 18 volts Makita batteries. During transportation, it is normal that the carton may be slightly cracked or the product may be slightly scratched. If you mind, please do not place an order. If there are any problems with the machine, please contact us as soon as possible and we can help you solve the problem. Thanks. Number 8. XMSJ Electric String Trimmer. Electric Weed Whacker on Wheels Cordless Weed Eater Battery Powered 21 volts 2000 mAh Electric String Trimmer. The battery weed eater with charger and 2 batteries is powered by an efficient 650 watts motor, which boasts a remarkable speed of 8,500 RPM. This combination of power and speed ensures effortless mowing. The powerful motor ensures the electric weed eater's reliable performance and durability, making battery-powered weed eater cordless a reliable tool. The impressive 8,500 RPM speed allows quick and efficient cutting, saving time and effort in lawn care. Number 9, ZSQHET Electric Lawn Mower Trimmer. Electric lawn mower for Makita 18 volts grass trimmer. Cordless brushly iron auto release string cutter. Power household garden tools. Power 650 watts. Cutting diameter 140 millimeters. Features: compact, lightweight, height adjustable handles. Weight 800 grams. Opening parenthesis without battery. Closing parenthesis. Size 92 x 15 centimeters. Pure copper motor, strong power, fast speed. Wireless electric grass trimmer. Independent safety switch and trigger switch. Auxiliary handle for free adjustment. Stretchable pole. Stainless steel material. Upgrade detachable protective cover to protect blade. Number 10. XMSJ Lightweight Grass Cutter String Trimmer. Electric Weed Eater Cordless Weed Whacker Battery Powered. 3-inch -1 lightweight grass cutter string trimmer with 3 types blades. The Cocoa Weed Whacker has a 750 watts pure copper motor of 8,500 RPM, providing efficient support for trimming grass and hedge, cutting small bush branches and edging lawn. Powered by 2 2000 mAh 21 volts lithium-ion batteries. Each has a 40 minutes runtime from 3 hours charge. This electric weed eater works quietly and efficiently, which can turn garden maintenance into an absolute breeze. Number 11. Uneven Electric Lawn Mower Cordless Grass Trimmer. Uneven 2000 RPM Electric Lawn Mower Cordless Grass Trimmer. Adjustable foldable telescopic garden cutter for Makita 18 volts battery. Features: -2,500 watts power, waterproof and low noise head, easy to clean. With grass guard board, it can prevent grass from splashing during extirpating grass. Cordless lithium battery design, low energy consumption and low noise. With pushing wheel, easy to deal with potholes, undulating terrain, lawn edge, flower bed, under the flower trellis and other areas. Mow the grass on the flat ground, quickly trim the grass on the lawn, with flexible angle, and quickly trim the slope haystack. Special plant protection fence can effectively prevent injure flower nursery, and special baffle can effectively prevent grass splashing. Ergonomic assistant handle design, the handle can adjust the direction at will. It is comfortable to hold, and it is not tired to work for a long time. Number 12. 128 LD gas string trimmer. 128 LD straight shaft gas string trimmer is a great multi-purpose weed eater with a 17-inch cutting width and a powerful 28cc engine to let you power through yard work. Tap and Go T25 trimmer head. String trimmer with heavy-duty twin-line cutting system features a tap-and-go weed trimmer head for quick line feed spins counterclockwise. Smart start technology, specially designed engine and starter for easy and fast starting with minimum effort. Air purge, removes air from the carburetor and fuel system for additional easy starting. Versatile and easy to store. This grass trimmer is compatible with select click-on attachments to cover the job of a variety of lawn care equipment, plus it features a detachable shaft for easy transport and storage.